Three, two, one.
Hi! Today we'll go over installing and setting up the Showcase theme. The Showcase theme is perfect for merchants that specialize in clothing and retail of cosmetics, even though this theme can be easily customized to fit other needs. First, log in the Lifeboat admin interface and go to Design from the main navigation. From here, click on the Install Theme button. Find the Showcase theme and click Install. Once installed, you'll see the new theme listed below. Click on Actions. Then, make default to select this theme. The new theme is now rendered in the preview section. Next, we'll go ahead and customize the theme. Note that I have prepared all the products and collections for this demo in advance. If you need help on how to set up products and collections, please refer to the documentation linked below. Click on Customize next to the Preview section. This theme comes with the option to feature up to 3 products in your home page banner section. To choose these products, select them from the drop-downs as shown. Once you have chosen your featured products, click Save. Now, click on View Your Store to preview the featured products. You'll notice that the theme has automatically selected the image to show in the banner. If you want to change this image, go to Products from the admin interface. Find the featured product and open it for editing. Scroll down to the section labeled Theme Elements and upload the image you'd like to use in the banner. Finally, click Save and refresh your store's home page to see the changes. Next, we will set up 3 collections to feature on our home page. To do so, go to your collections in the admin interface. Open the collection you'd like to feature, and in the Tags section add the tag show_in_home. Before closing, make sure to add an image to the collection, as this will be used on the home page. Additionally, this theme also comes with an optional design element called hashtag. To configure this, scroll down to Theme Elements and enter the hashtag you'd like to show on the collections card. Finally, click Save. When done tagging your collections, go back to your website home page to preview the changes. Additionally, this theme also comes with the option to change the heading and subheading text of the featured collections. To do this, go back to the theme customization options. In the fields labeled Categories section title and Categories section subtitle, enter the heading and subheading you'd like to use, and click Save. Now let's add some more featured products to our home page. To do so, go to your admin interface and open the products you'd like to feature. Same as the collections, add the tag show_in_home and click Save. Note that you need at least 4 products for the section to be visible, and there is a limit of 12 products that can be featured. Also, with the featured products, you can change the heading and subheading of the section in the theme customization options using the fields labeled Product Section Title and Product Section Subtitle, respectively. Once more, click Save and refresh your home page to preview the changes. Similar to featured products, this theme also comes with a section to show products which are on sale. Repeat the same steps as the featured products to list products that are on sale, with the difference that the tag we will be using is on_sale. We can also include a parallax image to this theme, or better known as a full-width image. This allows us to promote a special offer or other marketing material on our home page. To add this image, go to the Theme Customization options and add the image to the field labeled Parallax Image. We suggest using an image of 1920 by 1080 pixels for the best results. Optionally, we can also add some text to our home page, such as a testimonial or shop history. To do this, simply input your text in the field labeled Bottom section in the Theme Customization options. Note that this field will span the full width of the page, therefore we suggest to center align your text. Finally, we have the option to specify 2 short menus in the shop's footer section. One is a list of quick links, such as return policy and terms of use, and another with company links such as About Us and History. To set up these sections, simply select the menus in the fields labeled Quick Links menu and Company Links menu from the drop-downs in the theme customization options. If you're unsure on how to create a menu, please refer to the documentation linked below. That's it. You have successfully set up the showcase theme. If you have any questions or are unsure about anything we showed you today, you can find a link to contact support in the video description. We'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.